two counties in the Fox 10 viewing area right now labeled very high risk when it comes to new cases of COVID-19. Baldwin and Monroe. Mobile, Washington, Escambia counties a step below that at high risk. This is all according to the state health department. Now, just last month, Mobile was in the low risk category. The county health officer, Dr. Bert Eichel, calling it a significant jump in a short period.
So how are local leaders handling this surge? Fox 10 News' Tyler Fingert has a look at COVID precautions as people kick off the holiday season here in Mobile.
But first, Morella Porter is speaking with the Mobile County Health Department about the latest on the vaccine front. Hi, Morella.
The local health department is working with the state and the CDC to make sure that everything is in place when they start distributing these vaccines, possibly by late December. A saving grace in the COVID-19 pandemic. A vaccine just weeks away from review. Could be in Alabama next month.
A highly effective vaccine that appears to be very safe.
Dr. Scott Chavers with the Mobile County Health Department says the state will receive 540,000 vaccines by the end of December. The first round of the vaccine will be offered to healthcare providers and first responders. He says vaccines will be divided based on a survey put out by the Alabama Department of Public Health, gauging the number of frontliners who will need the vaccine. Dr. Chavers says depending on availability, the general public may not be offered the vaccine until early March or April. At that time, the elderly and those at high risk will be given priority. While Pfizer says the vaccine has a 95% efficacy rate, Dr. Chavers says its effectiveness can only be determined by people being willing to take it.
You know, the data are going to be very transparent to look at it, make the decisions, that's right for you. But, there's a lot more to this than I think people realize.
While some have faith in it,
I would definitely take them up on it as long as I knew it was tested. I trust that they're doing the best they can. It's not going to be perfect to come up with something as fast and as efficiently as they can.
Others say it's promising, but they're skeptical.
I would definitely wait just to see how the effects are, with that first batch.
As the vaccine undergoes approval, Dr. Chavers says the Mobile County Health Department is one of many institutions working to make sure they're capable of storing the Pfizer vaccine, which must be kept in extremely cold temperatures.
You have to have the ultra low temperature freezers. You have to have the gloves and everything to handle this, and then understand what it takes to get the vaccine out of the vials.
Now, Dr. Chavers says that right now is a critical time to keep the infection rate down, and he encourages people, even if you don't have symptoms, to go get tested before Thanksgiving. The Mobile County Health Department is offering free rapid COVID testing at 6 of their sites tomorrow. Here are the list of locations. You can also see the list on our website. Live in Mobile, Morella Porter, Fox 10 News.